it's an inequality question. It says x is smaller or equal to 14.5. And then state the largest possible value of x if x is an integer prime number and then rational number. So, like I say, you have to start with the number 3. Otherwise, it's very likely for you to miss out some numbers. So you have real numbers, right? And for real number, you split to rational and irrational. Right?
Irrational is like the pi.
Yep. For irrational, you give it some numbers, right? The pi, right? And of course, non-stop and no pattern, right? So pi and square root 2, right? Yeah. So these two are very good examples of irrational number. Okay. So for rational, you split to fraction, integer, and
fraction, integer, and decimal.
yes, decimal number. Okay. So for integer, you can still split to positive,
negative, or
yeah,
0.
yes, very good. Okay. So this is a simplified version of the number 3. Okay. So an integer and largest, so 14, right? Prime number. So for prime number, start from 2, right?
Yeah.
2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, no. 10, no. 11, yes. 12, no. 13, yes. So the answer is 13 for B. Which answer 13?
Yes. 14, 13, and
Yep.
14 and a half.
14.5.
It's fine.
So for rational numbers, you look at rational number, it can be a fraction, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So therefore it's 14.5. Okay. Then now my question is, what about this? This is rational or irrational number? 1/3.
This is rational
Why?
because it's a fraction.
Yes, it's a fraction. Or another way to look at this, you can see that it's 0.3333333. So it's non-stop, but there is a pattern to it, right?
Yeah, so it's decimal.
Yeah, so it's decimal. So in a way, this 1/3 is actually a rational number. Okay. For irrational is no pattern,
And
non-stop.
continues
Yeah,
to go on.
yeah, non-stop. Okay. So that's how you do this kind of question.